So the big question of the day is, if you're based in New Zealand, when is Amazon going to open this up as a marketplace? Now, right now, I don't feel it's going to be a huge demand here. I think a lot of New Zealanders, they buy from the US or they buy from Australia. Having something here in New Zealand, like an actual warehouse on the ground in New Zealand, might be a few more months, it might be a year. You never really know, right? But the demand for products is growing at an astronomical rate here in New Zealand. So if you're based in New Zealand and you're looking to get something started on Amazon, maybe you're looking for product ideas, maybe you're looking for ways in which to do research, maybe you're looking to start a bit of a side hustle or side business on Amazon, then make sure you attend one of my live events. I do online live events. I also do events here in Auckland as well quite regularly. But attend a live event where I'll walk you through 10 products that are currently selling right now on Amazon. I also walk you through how to go about getting something started and actually doing something immediately following the training and actually taking some sort of action. I'd love to see you at this online event. Guys, a lot of the people that do join these webinars are beginners. They're just starting from scratch. They've never sold on Amazon before. They've never sold on eBay before. They've never even probably sold anything online before. So the way I teach is very structural and step by step. It's really made for beginners, all right? So the product selection process, how to research what people are typing in to Amazon, how to make sure that the product, whatever product you're interested in, is actually going to sell, right? If you're interested in underwater crochet needles, well, guess what, guys? You ain't going to make much money selling that particular product. But if you're selling a product that's currently something that's trending right now, right? A lot of kitchenware, baby clothing, or baby wears, baby products, right? It's not, it could be anything, right? Pet products, pet collars, like a lot of pet sort of bundle packs, right? There's a lot of stuff going on right now that's doing really well on Amazon. And this is the sort of stuff that we teach you. We've got a client right now who's involved in the sporting niche, right? And he's doing incredible numbers, right? And he's making the transition right now, taking what he's selling offline and on sites like eBay, we're putting him onto Amazon, right? So that's an option. If you are a current business owner or you sell something currently right now, then you can actually put that product on Amazon. So, got the bridges going up. Yeah. That's beautiful. I'm loving it down here in Auckland. It's really, really good. So guys, if you're based in New Zealand or in Australia, and you want to get something started, hit me up. I live in Sydney. I'm from Auckland originally. I'm from Mount Wellington originally, but I'd love to work with you. Have a great day. Bye bye for now. See you later.